Alright guys, a little bit of an update video. The barn has been dismantled. Beams, roofing material, lumber. There's the rest of it. Got the truck ready to load. There's the concrete foundation. Runs around back to that wall, over there, over here. I think it's about 1,000 square feet, give or take. All the stuff's been cleaned out. My drafting table, that's scrap now. Truck, box is toast, door handle. What's left of the wall of the building. Fucking 12 feet of snow up into the bank. Now the job begins of transporting all my shit. Some of it goes to the scrap. Craftsman lawn tractor, scrap. The old Lawn Boy 2-stroke, scrap. Bike, scrap. Motorcycle's toast. Tank smashed in. Front fender. Back half of the frame is all cooked, all tweaked. One of the beams fell right on the compressor. The crank of the pump might be bent. Not 100% sure. I'll have to check the run out on it. Broke that fitting. Kinked the pipe. Blew the regulator off the water separator. The drain plug on the bottom snapped off. The old Lincoln 225 AC stick welder just got buckled in. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. If I straighten out the panels or if it's cooked, who knows. Side by side, the upper bar of the roll cage and the roof is smashed. The box is smashed. One part of the frame looks bent. This trailer made it out okay, probably mostly because of the welding table is in there. The beam was sitting right on it. Piles and piles of stuff. Quirky aluminum seats, they got fucking all twisted to shit. Sandblaster's bent. That trailer's bent. Blue bow tires off it. So start rummaging through, figure out what goes for scrap and what's still good. Welding cart's bent a little bit, but probably salvageable. Alright, that's the update.